Join me as I dive into the latest updates and challenges with SINT stock right now. Can I make sense of the chaos? SINT stock has been a focal point for many investors lately, and for good reason. It's been making waves in the market with its unique approach to the industry. But what's really going on with SINT stock, and why should you care? Essentially, SINT stock represents a company that's trying to innovate and disrupt the status quo, which can be both exciting and risky. SINT stock is currently facing some tough times, with market volatility being a major concern. The stock's value has been fluctuating wildly, making it difficult for investors to predict its next move. This kind of uncertainty can be unsettling, especially for those who have a lot riding on the stock's performance. Adding to the challenge is the rapidly changing landscape of the industry, with new technologies and regulations emerging all the time. The market volatility is partly due to the company's struggle to maintain its competitive edge. SINT stock has been facing increased competition from other players in the industry, which has put pressure on its market share. Furthermore, there are concerns about the company's ability to adapt to the changing regulatory environment. This has led to a sense of unease among investors, who are worried about the stock's long-term prospects. Industry changes are also having a significant impact on SINT stock. The sector is undergoing a period of significant transformation, with many companies being forced to rethink their strategies. SINT stock is no exception, and its ability to navigate these changes will be crucial to its future success. If the company can adapt and evolve, it may be able to regain its footing and start moving in the right direction. Recently, there have been some interesting developments that could impact SINT stock's trajectory. The company has just released its latest earnings report, which showed some promising signs of growth. However, experts are still divided on what this means for the stock's future. Some believe that it's a sign of things to come, while others think it's just a minor blip on the radar. The earnings report highlighted some key areas of improvement for the company, including increased revenue and a more efficient cost structure. However, there are still concerns about the company's ability to sustain this growth over the long term. What really matters is how SINT stock's leadership responds to these challenges and whether they can execute on their vision. Expert opinions on SINT stock are varied, with some analysts predicting a significant rebound in the stock's value. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the company's ongoing struggles and the competitive nature of the industry. Clearly, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding SINT stock right now. One thing that's become clear is that SINT stock's future prospects hinge on its ability to innovate and adapt. If the company can find a way to stay ahead of the curve and navigate the changing market landscape, it may be able to recover and thrive. But it will require careful planning and execution. To sum it up, SINT stock is at a critical juncture right now. It's facing significant challenges, but there are also opportunities for growth and recovery. The key takeaways are that SINT stock's value has been impacted by market volatility and industry changes, but recent developments offer some hope for the future. If you've been following SINT stock, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen next? Check out my other related videos for more insights and updates on SINT stock and the industry as a whole.